Welcome to a realm of unparalleled luxury and coastal elegance. Nestled in one of the most prestigious positions on the northern beaches, this bespoke architectural masterpiece stands as the epitome of luxury living on the northern beaches. From every angle, this home commands attention, with its striking architectural design and awe-inspiring ocean views. Completed by high-end finishes and flawless craftsmanship, it offers the ultimate in contemporary beach house luxury. Step inside to discover expansive open-plan living spaces, where clean lines and vaulted ceilings create an atmosphere of sophistication. Floor-to-ceiling glass panels capture coastal panoramic views, while solid ironbark floors and custom cabinetry add a touch of elegance. The exceptional Buckley-designed kitchen features quartzite benchtops, timber and Korean cabinetry, complemented by superb Wolf and Sub-Zero integrated appliances. Retreat to the private master bedroom, complete with cushioned window seating, custom walk-in robe areas, and a lavish ensuite. Step outside to an outdoor oasis, where an infinity self-cleaning heated pool and spa, swim jets, and water features await. Sliding doors lead to an outdoor terrace, outdoor kitchen, and pool area, creating the perfect setting for relaxation and entertainment. This architectural masterpiece offers a lifestyle of unparalleled luxury and comfort, where every detail has been meticulously crafted for the discerning homeowner. Experience the best of Northern Beaches living at its finest.